In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multi-step form in Webflow using a custom attribute tool like inputflow.io. This can be a great way to enhance your site's user experience, especially if you're handling complex data or information collection processes. Let's dive right in and walk through this step by step. First things first, you'll start by building the structure of your form in Webflow. You'll need to create a single form block, which will act as the main container for all your input fields. Inside this form block, add individual elements for each step of your form. It's important that all the input fields relevant to each step are placed within these respective S. This organization makes it clear and manageable when you connect everything together later. Next, it's time to add some custom attributes. For each step's element, go into the Webflow settings panel and add a custom attribute. You will name this attribute data form, and you'll assign it a value that corresponds to the step number, like step 1, step 2, and so on. Similarly, for the main form container, set a custom attribute named dataForm with the value multi-step. This tells the tool you'll be using that your form is intended to function in multiple steps. Now, let's move on to configuring the buttons for navigation. You'll need buttons to move the user forward and backward through the steps. For your next buttons, add a custom attribute with the name dataForm again, but this time give it a value of nextBTN. Do the same for your back buttons, but use the value backBTN instead. This will ensure that when you configure the form, these buttons perform the correct actions. With your structure in place, it's time to use the inputflow.io tool to connect these steps. Go ahead and publish your form on Webflow, then visit the inputflow.io website. You'll be prompted to paste the URL of the newly published Webflow form. This is crucial as it allows the tool to recognize and configure the form steps and button functionality properly. Follow the prompts on inputflow.io to link everything together in a cohesive functioning flow. After everything is connected, the tool will generate a code snippet for you. This code snippet is what will bring your multi-step functionality to life. Copy this code and then navigate back to your Webflow project. Go into your page settings and locate the tag. Within this tag, paste the code snippet you just copied. This embeds the functionality directly into your form. Finally, publish your Webflow project once more. It's always a good idea to test the form to ensure everything operates smoothly and as expected. Move through each step using the next and back buttons to check their response and reliability. By following these instructions, you should have a fully functional multi-step form ready to go. Thanks for watching, and happy form building.